One night, as Luna lay in bed, she noticed a soft, glowing light outside her window. Curious, she tiptoed outside and found a tiny, sparkling door hidden beneath a flower in her garden. With a deep breath, she opened it and was whisked away to Wonderland. In Wonderland, the trees sparkled with stars and the flowers hummed sweet melodies. Luna met a friendly rabbit named Wally, who wore a tiny vest and glasses. "Welcome, Luna," he said. "We've been waiting for you." Wally led her to the Enchanted Forest, where the animals could talk, and the moon hung low, glowing brighter than ever. They rode on the back of a wise old owl named Ollie, who told stories of the stars. As they flew, Luna saw a river of glowing water and fields of flowers that changed colors with every breeze. They finally reached the Rainbow Castle, where the Fairy Queen awaited. She had heard of Luna's kindness and gave her a magical star that would always guide her home. As the night grew quiet, Wally took Luna back to the tiny door. "Remember, Luna, Wonderland will always be in your heart," Wally whispered. Luna stepped through the door and found herself back in her bed, the star shining softly beside her. With a smile, she drifted off to sleep, knowing that Wonderland was just a dream away.